Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Things quest guide. Today we're going to be doing the quest Macabre Masquerade. On screen now you'll see the information for the quest. And if you'd like to start the quest, we're going to meet over at the Masked Salesman. This is where he is on the map. So if you go down from Nemric, you follow down the coastal trail. And then as soon as you get to this boat here, which you may remember from the quest Underwater, you're just going to take a sharp south turn. And then you're going to get here. And it's right next to Mountain Wayne as well. You can also come from Ragni, so you go straight to where the woods start, and then you're just going to take a left. And then once you get up near Maltic, you can then take another right all the way to here. Anyways, once you're here, Cord's up in the corner, by the way. You're going to talk to the masked salesman. He's going to give you 5 lines of dialogue that you can just spam through. You're going to get on a horse if you have one. If not, you're just going to run. And you're just going to go down this little corrupted cave here. Now, the mobs do a little bit of damage, but don't worry about it. Then you get to this parkour. Parkour is impossible. Just fall down. You're intended to fall down. And then once you get down here, it's going to drop you in the water. You're just going to go up here where the light is with the pumpkins. And you're going to go up the little wooden staircase area. Once you get to the top of this, and you're going to see there's a bit of a hallway with a few mobs here. Don't worry too much about the mobs. Just go through them. If you're low on health, you can make sure to dodge the little purple and black multi-hits, but they only do about 200 damage to me, so you don't have to worry about it. And then once you get here, there's another little corridor. This one has a lot of little mobs, but they don't do that much damage. None of them use multi-hit. Now once you go to the teleporter, there's a bit of a jump scare, and then you're going to get here where there's 3 doors. You're just going to take the left one here. And then once you take the left door, watch out for fall damage here. If you have a movement spell, I couldn't use it in time because server lagged a little bit, but you're going to take fall damage if you don't use a movement spell to negate it, so that's a little unfortunate. And then you've got a boss fight, so I hope you're ready for a boss fight. We're fighting the Haunted Mask here. You're just going to... Your shaman, just put your tournament in the middle of spam aura. You most likely have it unlocked for doing this quest at the level that it's intended to be done at, which is in the 20s. And if you're any other class, then just figure out a way to kill it. Once that's done, you're going to hop out the exit here. It's going to teleport you back here. We're going to go back up the cave that we came down originally. Oh, bit of lag there. I got lag back. You're going to go back up the cave, and then you're going to take a right here. Go back to the masked salesman and talk to him, skip through his dialogue, and that's it for this Quick Things quest guide from Macabre Masquerade. Anyways, if you need help with any other quest, if you're looking for a quest guide for any other quest, I've got a playlist with all my quest guides. You can go check it down in the description and all my quest guide videos. Anyways, that's been it for this Quick Things quest guide.